welcome back to the Joy's Toy Joint, and today we're going to open up Smooshy Mushies. OMG! And guys, how cute does this one look? It's a gumball container shape. How cool. And these ones are season 5. Let's see what this says. It says, what's inside? New scented. Ooh. Smooshy Pets and Animal Smooshy. Scratch card game. Mini gumball. Gumball container. Sticker. And mystery bestie. Ooh, I wonder what bestie we're gonna get. And these ones are Smooshy Mushy Besties, and these ones are season 3. And these ones you can get snackies, munchies, and sweeties. Ooh, I hope I get one of everyone. Okay guys, let's get started. Guys, did you know in the Sugar Fix you can get an ultra rare or rare glow in the dark? Ooh, I hope I get one of those. Okay, let's open them up. Ooh, I wonder who we're gonna get. It's like an actual gumball machine. Let's peel this off. Miniature gumball. And this must have the chains inside. Ooh, so I've got one pink keychain in my little mini gumball machine. Ooh. Okay guys, here is my scratch card game. Okay guys, now let's scratch our Smooshy Mushy scratch card off. So guys, I've circled all of my matching besties that I scratched off. And as you can see, I have a one bingo. But I'm only one off getting a line. So I would have been able to go to the Smooshy Mushy app and see what I've won if I had got a full line. Aww. That is so squishy. Oh guys, this is so cool. Okay guys, let's open up their bestie. Aww. Whoa, I wonder what new characters we've got in series 5. Whoa, we've got a lot. So guys, we opened up was Bitsy Bunny and Tiffy Taffy. Guys, in our next one we opened up Olivia the Octopus and Tatum Taffy. Ooh, guys, let's open our next one. What colour shall we pick? Let's mix it all. Okay, this one. Purple. Ooh. Ooh, he's got an ultra. He's got an ultra aura. Please, please. Please, please, please. Okay, drop it. There we go. Aww. How cute is this, guys? So guys, this is Felina, Fawn and Gracie Gum. So guys, in our next one we opened up Uma Unicorn and Flossy Fluffy. Oh guys, now let's open up all Smooshy Mushy Besties. I'm going to open up Munchies first because I feel like I need something to munch on. I wonder what munch I'm going to get today. Oh, some cereal. I like cereal, so I'll do that. I'm going to open up my snackies because it's been 4 hours now. I feel like I need a snack. Popcorn's a bit of an unhealthy snack, but I'll eat it. We've got our red keychain. Let's eat my popcorn. Delicious. This is really good popcorn. Our sweeties. Ooh, Nanny, you picked the best one. Ooh, we've got it's a little cone with crunched up ice and then the dye on it. So guys, our besties sweeties are a snow cone, a jam and a pineapple. The besties munchies are taco and cereal. So guys, these are our besties from the Snackies Club and we have got popcorn, sweet corn and apple juice. Oh guys, how cute are these Smooshy Mushies? I love Smooshy Mushies, they're so squishy. Oh, they're so cute. So guys, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. I would love if you subscribe, press the notification button and share with family and friends. Bye guys. Mwah.